Hello, dear viewers all around the world, wherever you are watching this video from. My name is Dairo. So in this video now, I want to tell you my experience about address verification. Address verification. If you're a YouTuber or a creator and you go to this level whereby you have to do address verification, so this video is for you. I want to tell you my practical experience about this, especially if you are from Africa countries or other parts of the countries here that you're from US or something like that. Some people used to get scared of this. And I think I remember when I started this, and I checked my Google Access account, and I was told to do some verification. First, I think ID verification. At that time, it's very simple to do ID verification, which I did and was done successfully instantly. But where I have problem, which I think many of you that are watching this video, I believe maybe you were searching for this similar solution to this problem I'm about to solve for you guys. Honestly, I want to solve everything for you. I want to tell you my experience, so that you have rest of mind that yes, someone has passed through this, and this is someone from Africa country. I am from Nigeria. So I want to tell you my practical experience, how I did everything, how I did my address verification successfully. So I want to tell you everything. So before I go further on this, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will see subscribe button below here. Just click on it. Then you will see notification bell. Just click on it and select all, so that you'll be notified anytime I'm uploading to my YouTube channel. Then give me a like on this video and leave your comments. Alright, so let me continue now. I believe you're a YouTuber, or maybe you have interest in this system, like you want to be making money through YouTube and things like that. So this is very important for you to learn from me. Alright, when I got to this level of address verification, which I filled my address there, I put my address there in Nigeria, I filled everything. But they told you that within two weeks to 4 weeks or 3 weeks, you will get the address. They will send it to your address, where the address you provided, the PO box, everything, you send it there. So I put my address there, but I made a mistake, which I want you to learn from my mistake. There is one mistake I made when I was filling this address. There is where you put postal code here, postal code. So the mistake I did, which I want you to learn from, is that I googled this thing online. I just put the postal code, I just googled the postal code, and I got the wrong postal code. So, and this thing when you fill the address verification, if you put your address, PO box you are using, you put everything there. If you make mistake, and most of this, one thing they usually follow is the postal code. Any postal code you put now, that is what they will first recognize. So if you put the wrong postal code, your letter will go to the wrong place. So make sure, the advice I have for you is that anytime you want to fill this form, and when you get to this postal code, go to nearest post office around you. Nearest post office around you, go there, go and confirm what is the postal code you are using. They should give you the postal code, so that you will use it to fill this form online. So I made that mistake. I filled everything. It was done okay, it was done successfully, but the mistake I made was the wrong postal code was put there. So I waited there for like a month. I have been going to post office, disturbing them. In fact, in post office they know me already. This is customer now, as usual, because I've gotten their phone number. Now you don't see they do my body that I don't want it, because there was something that used to scare us, that if after Wednesday, after they'll give, I think, 4 months or such. If you do not, if you fail to do the verification after the times, they will give you time. If you fail to do verification, they will cancel advert on your account. There will be no more adverts on your account. So they will terminate that. So we think it that's the end of life. So I made that mistake, and for the first one that I was supposed to get, I lost it. Now I have the opportunity to click on resend in the account. I think you people that are into this system, you understand me. You will see resend, and in this resend now, you have option to resend 3 times. So I click on resend again, and this time I change the address I want to use. So the address I want to use, the correct address now, I have gotten to the post office. They are giving me the right address. So you understand? They are giving me the correct postal code. So I fill in the postal code, PO box, so, and if it's PMB you are using, make sure you put the right one. So I put everything there. Now when I put it there, I was expecting this thing. I still waited for like a month. I got nothing. So then I was panicking, like, hey, time is going. I have suffered so much for this channel down to just lose the whole thing now. And I have money there in my YouTube channel. I've earned some money, yes, which I think after the address verification I was able to claim my money. Actually, I've gotten my money now. I've gotten my money, so yeah, I got my money. But I'm telling my experience. So the second one, I click on resend, and that resend I put another correct address there. I waited a month again, nothing happened. Now then, when I was panicking, there was something I did which I want you to be trying. So I used to chat with the customer, their support, that is a Google customer service. So I used to chat with many of them to ask something directly. I don't Google, I chat with the staff, customer service. Anything I want to understand, I will make sure I understand it. So for some of you that know me, I'm into importation business as well. So I know some of these things. Like I like anything I do online. I'm into many things. I will try to have access to the customer support. So that's one of the secrets that will be helping me. You have that. Don't just ask for maybe they say. No. Go directly. Have the real source of information. So then I was told that the second one I applied for, if I don't get it, that I should try to resend again. So when I waited for the second one, I got nothing. I click on resend again, 3rd time. That resend now. You can only resend 3 times. First one, they will send it, you will apply, that is normal. But after first one, if you don't get it and you want to reapply again, you click on resend. You can only resend 3 times. That is it, 3 times. After that 3 times, that's all. They will stop adverts on your channel. That's monetization. They will stop monetization on that your YouTube channel. So that will happen, and that is what usually scare many people. Now my own got to the extent that they stopped monetization on it. They stopped it. So that's why I want to give you confidence. Don't panic. This is what I've passed through. So when I applied for the second one, I was chatting with the customer support, asking them. They keep telling me that they will send it, this, that. I've done everything right. So yet they did say they were just giving me rest, so that I shouldn't worry. When I got nothing after the second one, the third one I applied, I clicked resend again. I think first one is free, right? You free, right? But resend is 3 times. So I used 1 out of the 3, right? I got nothing after a month. I still used another one. Is it how many now? 1, 1, 2, 3. So out of the 3 resend, I used 2. Nothing happened. Then it remain only 1. That only 1 now. I got a shake. Now wetin happen now? I don't collect my money. This monetization website. Now I don't dey happy now. Say, God, man, still the show has started now. Make dem come stop am. I say, okay, God, wetin go happen now? I still chat with the support again. Now, one thing I still want you to know is that they have many customer service, but not all of them really have full understanding of what is happening. Some people will scare you. I think I chatted with one of them one day, and that one said there is nothing they can do or something like that. I said I was doing that. This one doesn't know what he's saying. So I chatted with one of them also, and this one told me that the first one I was expecting that failed. The second one, the third one, they told me that if any of the previous one arrived before the one I'm expecting, I can use the previous one that arrived to my post office or to my address. I can use to verify. what are you waiting for? It's just pin. This pin, they will send you mail, right? And that mail is pin. They will give you that pin, and that is the pin you will use to verify your address. They will just send you the pin just so as to be sure that yes, this is where you stay, this is your address, just verification. So they will send that pin to you. YouTube will send that pin, they will send it to you. That's what I'm after, just to get pin, and that's what cause problem. So the problem now is I could not get the pin because I didn't get the message. So I used third one. When I got to the last one, I thank God that I messaged one of them. I was even going there because they told me, and that's what I'm telling you right now. Even if you are sending for the fourth one, you know that is fourth. The first one, that's automatic, right? And you have opportunity to resend three times, right? To resend 3 times. First one is sure, but you have opportunity to resend 3 times. Now let's assume that you have used the first one, second one, third one, or fourth one. If any of this first one, second one, third one message got to you, you can use those codes to verify. If that's what you are expecting the last one, anytime anyone land, you can just use it to verify your address. So take note of this one, okay? Then second thing is that don't think that's the end of time. Maybe you don't. That's what they used to tell you that if you use first one, second one, third one, fourth one, if you use all those to finish now, they will stop monetization on the account. It's for free. It's free. They stop it on my account. In my YouTube channel, they stopped it. And when they stopped it, so thank God I've been, I told you that I've been chatting with the customer support. I've been getting the way they reason, their understanding. I've been checking, and me personally, I've been searching some things online. I check their forum. I've been having understanding of people that have similar case like my own. So when I now got to the last one, they stopped that monetization on my account. And the information given by the customer support was that I should wait till the last day. I think it was, when was the date? I can't even remember. I think on 8th. Okay, that was the day they told me that they would stop monetization on my account. So now I was told that same day I should go online to apply, that they will do it for me manually. They will not send code again, they will do it for me manually. They will ask for some documents, and if I'm able to provide those documents, they will do it for me. That was what one of their customer support told me. So I put my faith on that one. I was waiting to that day that I think on this I can't even recollect. And when it got to that day, I couldn't sleep. I just come online. I came online, just checked. And when I discovered it, they told me that I got the message on my email that they have stopped my transaction on my account because of so offer for it. Now I went online again to my Google Adsense account. You know, Google and YouTube, they are working together like this. So that union is like this, they are working together. So if you say Google pay you, it's the same time YouTube pay you. So let's leave that one for now. But what I'm trying to say is that they work hand to hand, that they come together. So when I now go online to my account, like to check what's going on right now, I got the email. So going to my account now, when I tried the process of the verification again, just to try those process now, what I wanted to do is to go and chat with the customer support again. You know, there's a process where I used to go to the customer support. When I was trying to go to the customer support, I could not go there again. In the process, they will ask you what do you want to or ask question about, or what's your challenge. I put ID verification. When I put ID verification, the thing just recognized my account. Okay, they told me that I should put the link to my YouTube channel. I put the link to YouTube channel there, and inside they dictate what's happening in their accounts. So they see that I've used the lifeline I can use to resend verification again, which they know that the next is manual verification. I just see that boom, the thing just took me to a page where I will do manual verification online. So let me now ask me what they want from me. They told me that I'll put it, just check the screen, you will see I'll put the information there. They told me that I should upload I should upload my ID card, that is government issued ID card that have address of where I put in this my YouTube channel. You know, the one I put there for verification now. I should put ID card, that the government issued ID card that have this address related to that one. In fact, they didn't told me that address according to what I put in my YouTube channel. And what I put in my YouTube channel, I put PO box, so. I put that city, the city I stay, town, everything, and PO box there. But in my national ID card, even my international passport, it's still the same town, but not actually the same address as I put in my YouTube channel. I know if you were the one, you'll be thinking like, hey, everyone, what I don't deal. I think you'll be confused. So they still give me another thing. That's the one thing that I should upload: ID card, government issued ID card. And the second one is I should print my statement of account statement as a back account statement, right? I should print back account statement that will show my address, the address I stay, that will show the address. So I was thinking that that's not a problem now. I can even go to bank and change address, back address to the same as my YouTube address I put there. I think it's very easy now. You can go to bank and tell them you want to put this address there. So it's very easy for me. Even when I go to bank, I wanted to change. They were stressing me, and I've just seen that I think the same city now. It's not compulsory. I said, okay, let me even try it to see what will happen. It's the same city, right? The same state, the same country, the same city, but not as arranged for YouTube. I said, let me try it. So I print the statement. I put my international passport. You can put any valid ID card, just valid ID card. So they ask for it. They ask for maybe, okay, I put NEPA bill because they ask for electricity bill. No, telephone bill. They say I put telephone bill, but I don't have a telephone bill. But I know I have government electricity bill, right? We call it NEPA bill in Nigeria here. So I put it there. So I have a lot of things to back up that this is my address. I stay in this town. I stay in this town. I'm not from any other country or whatever. So anything you want to say now, let's see. Even what they don't ask from me, I put it. I put the address. I put ID. I put international passport. I put my voter's card. I put it there. See the address I put in some of these things now. And from this, I put the same town now. And the statement from bank, I put the same thing there. Even though everything wasn't arranged as in the same, maybe ID card, international passport, it wasn't arranged accordingly, like everything the same. But you will know that this person stays around this place. You will know that this person stays around this place. That's the only thing that I want to bring out. So I submit everything. I think I mentioned how many things now. International passport, I put it there. It's not compulsory, but I just put it there as my valid ID. I still put voter's card there. I put a statement I got from bank. I put it there. What is it again, sir? ID card, statements, NEPA bill. I put NEPA bill there. So I put everything there. I submit what they want. It's so simple. Submit this, put your YouTube channel link there. I put YouTube channel link there. I submit all this in there. My dear viewers, they approve the account within an hour. Within an hour, that account was approved. I just got the mail. So your account has been approved. I said, sure. Guy, think what say I run a so. Oh my God. For post office for my area, I say they go. Anytime they see me now, I say this guy. Within an hour. Oh God. So why I'm making this video is just because of you watching this video. I believe whether you are passing through this kind of situation, just see what I've passed through. I think this same channel, check the link. I will show you somewhere around here. I will tell you so how to do tax. You know, is it tax verification or something like that? Tax verification. How to do it so that you can approve. You know, if you don't fill it, for your tax verification or whatever, if you don't fill it, there is no way you can claim your money. YouTube will not release your money for you. So you see it, you go and watch it, how to do that. So I did everything perfectly, and the morning I put my bank account there. And let me tell you about even the money said to withdraw money. So I don't have domiciliary account. I don't. So I have normal Naira accounts in Nigeria here. So I provided it there. and they send that money. Some people say if you don't have domiciliary account you can't collect your money. I put normal bank accounts, normal Nigeria bank accounts, save naira account, put it there. So and they send the money. I just got the email that they sent the money. They even gave me a receipt that I can go to bank to claim this, that if I don't receive anything that happen. So and that was on Friday they sent that money, but I didn't get anything. Now on Monday, you know, weekend, nothing happened. On Monday I got a call from bank. I got a call from bank. I use Dairo as I'm the one. Please, you have some dollars to claim here. Can you come to the bank to use this? And why it happened like that is because I am using naira accounts. I haven't opened domiciliary accounts. So when I got to the bank, they told me that I should write letter that they should exchange the naira, exchange the dollar and convert it to naira and put it to my account. Now they told me from bank that I should open domiciliary account. If I have domiciliary account, I won't have this problem. The money will enter my account straight up. But what I want to bring out is, even though I don't have domiciliary accounts, yet I receive my money. I don't have problem. So if you are having anything like panicking about this, about that, I think I've told you practically what I passed through with this. So I got my money. So that is all I want to share with you guys. If you have anything to comment about this, please do not forget to leave your comment. Let me know what you feel about this video. I still have more things to share with you guys, so please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and give me a like on this video, and comment, let me know what you feel about this. I love you guys, so bye for now.